Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add video over video in DaVinci Resolve 18 layer green screen videos as a DaVinci tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device, and once you're already onto a project, just go ahead and import the clips that you want to use. So I have two clips in here. I'm going to use this as a background drag drop here onto the timeline, and we'll add this other video as an overlay. So let's cut this one first. Then we'll remove this other one here. Then right after, to remove its green screen, since as you can see, it is covering the other video in here. So we could actually zoom this one out so that we could see the other video just like that. And right after, we'll have to remove first its background in here, which is the green one or the green screen one. So we should be able to find that under effects. So it is open already. Just click onto this and we could remove this media pool so that we could open this directly. So click on open FX in here. Right after this one is open, just go ahead and search for 3D Kayer. So this one. So you'll have to go ahead and drag this and put this onto the first video that we have in here, or this specific video. Then right after, once you have added that, make sure to change the settings first in here. Click onto this drop icon and click on Open FX Overlay Settings. So once you've opened that, just head here under Inspector, and under Effects, make sure that this one is already turned on, which is the 3D Kayer. And right after, to completely remove the green part in here, simply click onto this icon in here, which is this one. And then right after, you'll just have to go ahead and draw onto this one. So just make sure to draw onto the outside of that one. Make sure to go ahead and draw completely to remove the green part of it onto the clip. So you could be very thorough to this or precise so that you should be able to achieve the green screen effect that you're looking for. So once you're actually done with that, just go ahead and close Inspector for that. Click onto this one and try to click on Inspector again, but on this time we'll head onto video since we're gonna go ahead and move its position. So we're gonna put this here onto the bottom left side. So just go ahead and try to adjust this as per your liking. Once you're satisfied with how it should look like, you could go ahead and do a preview for that. That is how you could add a video over a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.